If your camera is not working on the Samsung Galaxy S26 or S26 Ultra, here's how you can fix it. First, restart your phone. To do that, press and hold the volume down and power button simultaneously, then tap Restart. Once your phone restarts, open Settings, scroll down and tap Apps. Search for Camera and tap on it. Scroll down to Storage, then tap Clear Cache first, followed by Clear Data. Next, go back to Settings and open Developer Options. Scroll down and look for Quick Settings Developer Tiles. Open it and enable the Sensors Off tile. Now swipe down to open the Quick Settings panel. If you see the Sensors Off button enabled, tap it to turn it off. Sometimes it gets enabled automatically when developer options are turned on, which can prevent the camera from working properly. After that, return to Settings, scroll to the bottom, open developer options and temporarily turn them off. Finally, check if your camera is working. As you can see, my camera is now working perfectly. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.